There is a way that you can promote your merch-on-demand listings for free besides using Amazon ads. This is Pinterest. I bet you know the tool, the platform, but stay till the end of the video. I would show you a big surprise that I built, and I would show you how you can get it to start using it. Lately, I've been using a lot Pinterest to promote my merch-on-demand business since merch started the new tier up system that you need to have 35 plus promotion of your listings using Amazon ads or other type of social media. That way you will get better profits, okay? For that, I'm using Pinterest lately, but I was uploading manually images, pins to Pinterest of my designs, and it was a very tedious and boring process because I have to find my images, then create a mockup, then upload the mockup and put the SEO, the links, etc. And it took a lot of my time and it was very boring. Also, afterwards, I started making videos, trying to make videos of the pins because I found that it was more attractive to the people, and that way I could take more people to my listings. But that was also tedious, and I had to create the video, for example, like these ones, and it took a lot of my time. And Pinterest, if you've used the platform before, you have to be very patient to get people to really start going, driving traffic to your listings. Okay? Since I was bored about all this process, I created a new tool that I'm gonna show you now. Let me show you how this tool works. It's a Chrome extension that, for example, I'm gonna use any listing on merch, not mine, but this tool works when you want to promote your own designs, okay? Let me show any example. Let's find a funny t-shirt. For example, let's say this one. When you open your listing and you have the tool, this is my new tool. The tool is called MockDrop, and I will show you step by step how this works and what it does, okay? Here, when you install the tool in your Chrome extensions, you open it here, you have to pin it here. By here, you can release the pop-up. This way you can work better, in my opinion. Let me show you what this does. For example, here in this t-shirt is on black background. You can select here white or black. In this case it's black. We're gonna stay on black. Let me show you now. Here, the tool immediately on the Amazon platform generates a mockup. Let me show you. You'll be surprised. For example, I want to generate a mockup with the size of a story for Pinterest. You have these two other sizes, and you can select a female model, a male model. For this, I'm gonna select a female or any mix, and let me show you. I'm gonna generate a mockup. Okay, it generated a mockup of an old man. I don't like it, so I'll generate a different one. This I like better, and this, okay, this I like better of a woman. And if I like it, I can instantly download this and take it to Pinterest. I don't have to create a mockup in Photoshop or Canva or anything else. Instantly in Photoshop, in Merch, I can create it. That's the first step. Okay, this is for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's integrated in the tool. Okay, also, you can create bulk, generate 10 mockups if you want of different background pictures, and you can download all in zip. Okay, this is if you want to create it in bulk. For example, here are the zip file, different models of the same design. Okay, This it is all integrated in the tool. Okay, this is the free part of the tool that you don't have to pay anything, but the mockups are still under photos. Okay, they are not animated, anything like that. Here is the special second step, that is the AI Studio. Let me show you what this does. Here you can create your own mockup, your own photo of where you're gonna put your design instantly in the Chrome extension. For example, the tool here suggests you different scenarios. Let me see this. A young woman facing the camera at a market, farmer's market, wearing a black shirt. Okay, the black shirt for the mockup. Colorful start, cheerful morning light. Let me put here a young woman walking to add some movement. Let me show you. Here, when you generate this, first you have to include your API key. This is very important. Here in the settings, in this little icon, I'm using in this case Full AI. That here I can use Nano Banana. It's a provider of many models, but you can also use Runway, Luma, Pika, Kicksfield. Okay, this is for the interactive part of the video. You can select this, CDAS, Kling, different models to create video. But let me show you first how this works. Here you save. In this case, I use Full AI. And now I'm gonna generate the background for my mockup of the design. Let me show you what it does. Here's an estimated cost, 0.02 cents. That's nothing. Okay, I like her, but you see the design is not correctly here. So now I can adjust it here the way that I want and the size that I want. I like it very big. Okay, apply. Okay, this is better. Now, if I want to upload this like this to my Pinterest account or to my Instagram or whatever, the mockup is already there with a new style photo that I just created. Okay, if I don't like this photo or I want to try a different scenario, for example, I can click here for different, for example, here a smiling woman facing a camera on the city street, wearing a black shirt, a smiling woman walking. Let me show you here. Okay, I like it also, but I have to adjust the design here. Okay, this is very easy and it's all that in your Chrome extension. Okay, I like this better than the previous one. I'm gonna download, but I wanna create a video of this because, as I told you before, in Pinterest you have better performance with videos. Okay, let me show you what you can do here. Now you have the animate video. Here is also, you have an estimated price to pay, 0.15 cents. That is very cheap. I'm using the cheapest model of Full. Okay, but you can use the one that prefer of CDAS and other ones. This take like a minute or 40 seconds. But let me show you what this does. Okay, look at this. Now I have an animated mockup of my design that was on Amazon 30 seconds ago. Just like that, I have this video mockup. Now I can download it, and then that's even better. I can go to Pinterest. This is my Pinterest experimental web that I'm using, and I can create a new pin here. I can upload my recently created mockup, and even I have all the SEO here to copy and paste, just like that. Very easy step. The link and also some keywords. In keywords, I prefer adding them one by one because Pinterest is kind of weird in the way, so it's easy. I put like, I don't know, cat, and you select cat, cat name, fox, whatever. You add your tags, and then I will mark here as AI modified and publish my new pin. Okay, and that way, as easy as that, you get your pins animated very fast of your new or your best sellers on Amazon in a very fast way with this Chrome extension that I'm very proud of. Okay, how you can get this Chrome extension? There are two ways. One, this is gonna be free in my community here in Niche Please. That if you don't know the community yet, we have a lot of Chrome extensions for free, a lot of apps, a lot of niches, trends, etc. that I daily upload here. So this tool for my student here in my school niche, it would be for free. I would post it today and they can start using it now for free and promote your listings in Pinterest as fast as this tool does. Okay, the other way is that I'm gonna sell it on Canva very cheap. I will leave all the links in the description, but if I were you, I would rather go to the Skool because the Skool is very cheap right now. It costs only $9 and you will get access to all my tools, Chrome extensions, etc, etc. It even has a trial period of 1 week, so if you don't like the community or the content of the Skool, you can cancel your plan. Okay, more tools are coming, more valuable niches and informations are coming to the Skool, and I will promote it on my channel. Some tools or things I create, I can give them for free in my channel, but some I can't. Okay, not everything is for free in this world, so sorry about that. In this case, you will get the tool in my channel, in my Skool community, sorry, or you can get it on the link on Gumroad. Okay, hope you like this new video, my new tool. Please leave the comments down. Whatever you have in mind, I read them all and I try to answer them all. And see you in the next one. Bye.